Hey guys, this video is about a vertical intelligent socket. It has about, I believe, 16 AC outlets. There are 3.4 amp, 5 way super fast outlets, and 16 way power socket outlet. Let's see what it looks like. Got it off of Amazon for under 25 bucks. It has 2 power buttons to operate the 8 over here or the other side. 3 USB-A outlets, 2 USB-C charging outlets, the reset button, but you make sure you unplug all the cables, then reset. Has a light when this is powered on. The light turns on. Let me show you in action. Alright, I'll attempt to plug in this smart switch and see the light turns on. There you go. The blue light does turn on. So it's I think the cable is about 6 feet long, and I got it, like I said, for about 23 or 24 bucks. Pretty sturdy material, and it had really good reviews on Amazon, so I think it's worth a shot. Thank you for watching.